Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss how to use Python to process geographic data. Let's take a look at our data first. We have three regions: Beijing, Henan, and Tianjin. We also have data for these three regions. Let's take a look at the border and DEM data for Henan. Now, what I want to do is use this border to clip the DEM data. After clipping, we will generate slope and aspect data based on the clipped DEM. Ideally, I want my program to process and generate the slope and aspect data for all three regions. Now, let's take a look at our program. You can open it using idle or any development environment that supports Python. First, we need to import the data. The data we will use includes border data and digital elevation model, DEM, data. We will convert all the data to the same coordinate system. First, we define two parameters for the conversion. One for the DEM data and one for the shapefile data. These lines of code will convert the data into the same projection. Then, we create a list to store the data. The list will include the region, the border, and the DEM. We will clip the DEM data for each region. After processing, we will calculate the slope and aspect data separately. Once the calculations are done, we will save and export the data. The data stored in this list will include the border data. Now, let's see how to execute the Python program. We can enter the path of the program. Alternatively, we can run it directly from the command prompt. We need to know where your Python for ARCGIS is installed. Python is installed on the system. We can enter the path of the program. We need to specify the location of the program. Now, we can run the Python command. We can see the Python command executing. Now, we can execute the Python command. We will see the results of the Python command. We can view the results of the Python execution. The results of the Python command will be displayed. We can add more data to see the results. Let's add more data and see the results. Thank you for watching. See you next time.